Magnus is one of the greatest player in history, no doubt. But this game, it makes him look like a total beginner. Stockfish didn't just win, it humiliated him. This is one of the most insane games I have ever seen. Let's break it down. Okay, we have Stockfish 17.1 with white pieces and Magnus bot with black. Stockfish started the game with pawn to c4, pawn to e6 and pawn to d4. Then Magnus goes for bishop b4 check, bishop d2. Bishop takes bishop, queen takes bishop, and then knight to f6 so that it can castle kingside and also push his pawn. Knight to c3, obvious move, kingside castle, and then pawn to e4. Stockfish 3 pawns on center. Pawn to d5 and white pushed his pawn. Knight to e4, takes, and then queen to e3. Queen e3 is for attacking this pawn, and there is one way to save this, pawn to f5. So pawn to f5, queen side castle, and then knight to c6. Stockfish want to develop his knight. It cannot play here or also not here, because if it play here then bishop will be blocked. So he goes for knight to s3, pawn to a5. Black plays pawn to a5 because it want to attack king side. Then knight to f4. Knight to f4 is putting pressure on this pawn and also pushing this pawn. Pawn to a4. Magnus keep pushing his pawn to king side of opponent. Pawn to a3, blocking the pawn, and then knight to a5. Then pawn to a4. Stockfish is also following the same idea, attacking king side, and then knight to b3 check, king on b1. Then Magnus plays pawn to b6 so that it can develop its bishop. Bishop to e2 and queen to e7. Stockfish pushed his pawn, bishop developed, and then knight to g6. Black can't capture this knight because let's say if it takes, then pawn takes and queen to, let's say, e8, then rook h8 check, king takes, queen h3 check, king to g8 and checkmate. That's why black goes for queen to f7. Knight takes rook, rook takes back, and then pawn to s6, putting pressure on this pawn. Now any player can easily tell trading this pawn is bad idea, so Magnus pushed his pawn. Then we have pawn to f4, king move to h8 square, and then queen to c3. Point of queen to c3 is come on this square and track on this pawn. Then pawn to c6, queen here. Then Magnus goes for knight to d4. And if you're thinking for rook to d4, then pawn to c5 and both pieces will be trapped. So Stockfish goes for queen to b6. Knight takes bishop and rook to d8 check, and rook to d8. Rook cannot take this rook, otherwise check, queen here, check again, queen here, and checkmate. So Magnus goes for bishop to c8. Rook f8 check again, queen takes, and rook goes to d1 square. And now in this position, black can either save this queen or save this knight. If Magnus save this knight with knight to g3, then rook here and queen will be trapped. But let's say it goes for queen to f7, then again same idea and this will be checkmate. That's why Magnus plays knight to d4, delaying the checkmate. Rook takes, king on g8 square, and then rook to d8, queen trapped. Queen take rook, queen take queen, and king to f7. Again queen takes bishop, king on e7, and queen to c7. Now I have to move fast. King to e8, queen to s7, king to d8, queen to g8, king to d7, queen to g7, king to d8, pawn to s7, pawn to a3, and checkmate.